Assalamu alaikum. Here is second very brief tutorial to show you how to view the reports of your online lectures and the recording. Indeed. So I will move to the Blackboard Ultra. Here I have already created an online uh, what we call a tool link here, online lectures tool link, as I mentioned before in the previous video. So if I click here, I will move to the Blackboard Ultra and I will find my created sessions. Here I have one session, but it's recurring and every week. Of course, if I would like to view the reports, that means the number of attendees, the duration of this session, I will click here on this icon, on this button. Then I will choose view reports. View reports. And I will click here, of course. Here the start and time, here the end time and the number of attendees and the duration of the session. I will click on view report. Of course, here there is a table. I can export this to Excel to CSV format. I will open this report file, and here we have the names of students and the role. Of course, they are participant only, me moderator. The first joining, the time of joining and time of leaving the session, and the total time, of course. Here, the easiest way to check the attendance of your student, and of course, for this reason, why we recommend to ask student to log in via Blackboard portal only when they log in via the Blackboard portal. We will find here their name is similar as the banner, same as the banner names. But if we ask them to join via a link, via a shareable link or a guest link, let's say, they will write their short names, and it is misleading, and we cannot check their attendance, of course, based on the banner list. This is the first thing is how to view reports. So quickly, I will repeat again. We click in the precise session, excuse me, and click on this button and view report in order to view reports. Of course, you can filter by all reports here. We can filter by recent reports if you would like to check the recent reports only. Okay, or to reorder them via an ascending or descending يعني filter. Okay, there is another thing here to mention, how to view the recording of previous session. You click here on the menu item at the top, then you click on recording. Here a table of all recorded session, and you can of course click here to watch the this session, for example. Of course, these steps are similar to the students, so you can inform your student, show them how they can assess previous recording, and they can watch yeah, they can watch the previous recording, which is very useful, which is very useful here for our students. I shared already a video to the students, but maybe you can, it's better that you show them again how to view recording. That means view recording. So please don't forget to click on this icon at the top, the menu icon, then recording, and you can of course watch any recorded session. That's it. Thank you very much.